All right, so we are ready and we are motivated, says Fuzzy, the head coach, the Reggae Boys head coach, Reggae Boys under 20 head coach. He said that we are ready and we are motivated. So he has opened his mouth and he has spoken something that we have all wanted to hear, what Fuzzy's thoughts so far on the tournament. Most definitely, I'll be getting into the article and let you guys see what's happening in regards to what Fuzzy is saying about this competition so far. Definitely that's something that is very much interesting in what's happening. And I think most persons would have want to hear what Fuzzy has to say. Many people want to hear what he has to say. His mindset. The goalkeeper coach Andrew Sewell came out and spoke, but now Fuzzy has spoken. So as I said, people, I'm going to get into that article. I want you guys to hit that like button and most definitely hit that subscribe button as we go over to the article. Hopefully, you guys are having a good morning and definitely, hopefully, guys are doing good as well. So let's get straight into the article, people. I'm not here to waste any one of your time because, as you know, time is very, very precious indeed. All right. So the article was done in the Observer by Sanjay Myers. It states, the headline is World Cup Beckons. As you can see right there, or number 10, Duncan McKenzie. So let me start off with the top of the article. Let's start off at the top of the article. As you can see here down below, you can follow us on our Twitter at MG Sports Media and also on Instagram at MG Sports_media. Our Facebook is Military Goodnet TV. That's our Facebook page. And my normal Facebook is my name, Mario Taker. So you guys can find us in one of those platforms at any time of the day. So let's get into the article and see what Fuzzy has to say. The Jamaica under 20 men's footballers sit in the cusp of repeating a rare feat when they take on Dominican Republic in today's CONCACAF Championship quarterfinal contest at the Olympiaco Metropolitano Stadium in San Pedro Sula, Honduras. Kickoff is set for 6 p.m. Jamaica time. A win against Dominican Republic will give the young boys one of 4 places from the region to the FIFA Under 20 World Cup in Indonesia next year. The country's second qualification to the global showpiece after the 2001 appearance. The Jamaica head coach Marcel Gayle said his team is enthused about the challenge. We are ready and we are motivated to make the country proud, taking a next step on the journey to the World Cup, he said on the eve of the match. So you would have seen as if they interviewed him yesterday. Gayle, who said all squad members are available for the contest, added, "We have a little knocks and bruises, but nothing to stop the players." The Jamaicans progress as a third-place team behind Honduras and Costa Rica in the group stages of the championship. Now, I think Costa Rica lost to USA 2-0 in a tight competitive game as well. And Honduras are through to the semifinals. I don't remember who Honduras beat, but I'll get to that. So the 2 teams that went out, that came out of the group ahead of Jamaica, one is out and one advances. So they finished third place behind Honduras and Costa Rica in the group stage of the championship before edging past 9-man A to 2-1. The pulsating round of 16 clash on Sunday. Jamar Clark, who notched the opener against Haiti, has been Jamaica's top contributor with 3 of their 5 goals. Tariq Zimides, a player with the national senior team experience, scored the late winner against the resilient Asians. So let's continue. The Dominican Republic took a different route to the quarterfinals, first reaching the CONCACAF Championship after competing in qualifiers last November. Having advanced from the qualification tournament, they were amongst 4 teams. The others were Curacao, Nicaragua, and Puerto Rico to receive a bye to the CONCACAF Championship round of 16 Good. So we did spoke about them getting a bye into the knockout stages, and most persons were saying that they played a league, what is a knockout game to go into that. But I did say that it has to be a buy-in. I did say that because that is the only logical way. But no, and I know we can get a better understand into what's happening. In Sunday's dramatic, as you guys can see, that's Jamar Clark, bad baller. In Sunday's dramatic knockout encounter with El Salvador, the Dominican Republic twice got back from second half deficits to win 5-4. Angel Montes de Oca scored 2 of their goals. Gayle noted he is well aware of the threat they pose. We watched them, the Dominican Republic, the other day against El Salvador. They are a spirited team, and they have some components in their team who we have to try to stop, and then we use our strength against them. The Reggae Boyz coach explained. In today's match at the venue, slated to be at 9 p.m. Guatemala are to meet 13-time regional under-20 winners Mexico. So Guatemala will face Mexico today. So as you can see, for those who don't know, that is Marcel Gayle, and I do think everyone would have known who Marcel Gayle is by now. On Tuesday, in the quarterfinals match, back-to-back defending champions, the United States were set to battle Costa Rica, and Panama were scheduled to face host Honduras. While the semifinals, so Honduras defeated Panama. I think it was 2-1, I believe. And USA won their game 2-0. While the semifinals at the CONCACAF Championship gained automatic berth to the Under-20 World Cup, the finalists will also secure qualification to the 2024 Paris Summer Olympic. So Marcel Gayle has opened his mouth. He has spoken, people, and he highlighted that they know what to expect from the team. They have seen what the team can do, that the Dominican Republic team can do. So that's good to know that they are doing their research and that they are expecting to put in a performance. Now, seeing, understanding, analyzing is totally different from when you are on the pitch. That is a different ball game. On anticipation, I do expect our boys to come forward and put in a stern performance, a gritted, a fight, a one that is full of composure. But nevertheless, we don't know what to expect from that encounter. No one actually knows. We might see how Dommer plays, and they might look good, really good, but it's a different ball game when you go on the pitch. It's 11 versus 11, and quality versus quality. Who can put the ball in the back of the net? Not going to say Dommer can't, because we have seen them done so in one game, tallying our total score. That's just how football is sometimes. But nevertheless, we'll see how this one goes. Anyways, people, Marcel Gayle has spoken. We are ready. We are motivated. And that is good sign to hear coming from the head coach. And we'll see you guys again next time. Until next time, people. Military Guna TV, people. We are out.